We've been working on two projects that really make a step change for our customers. One called C4C for our retail business and one called Market Opening 2 for our business customers. Both are new SAP solutions that redefine how we offer service to our customers. We chose Capgemini because we had a very long-standing partnership with Capgemini, but there were three reasons really. The first one is that they've got a very good understanding of our industry and in particular the Welsh Water business as well. That they're always able to work very collaboratively with us as a customer. And the third, their technical competence. They always have the right levels of expertise that mean we're successful. We did work in the AIE environment, which was a set of great people who really understood how to innovate, but also lots of case studies, best practice from other customers that they had worked with. And also the ability then to mock up prototypes and to build quickly so that we could realise and see really for the first time what we thought our new systems would look like.
The open water market brought competition to the water industry. Business customers are able to choose their retailer. We needed to configure our wholesale operations so that we could suitably engage with the market and support a myriad of retailers.
So it was about new ways of working with our customers in the retail business, but also backed up with a large efficiency drive. And our response to that was an SAP solution based on cloud for customer.
The project's been a major success. We've implemented broadly out-of-the-box functionality to support a business process. Capgemini have been guided by our business stakeholders. They've listened, they've come with their expertise, but they've adjusted to take account of the local requirements. They love it, they find it very intuitive, very easy to use. In terms of productivity, it's so much easier than what they were doing before.
C4C was one of our key steps in terms of our smart data strategy for the organisation. So it enables us to give a single view of the customer across all our systems.
Our objective is to move away from being a reactive business to a proactive business, and the absolute key fundamental to doing that is data. So if we understand our customers better, if we understand their individual needs and don't treat them as a single entity, we can then start to predict what our customers will want, when they'll need it, and actually we can be much more proactive in the way that we can then provide a much better customer experience for them.
And then having a great solution like C4C as the first point of contact for our customers gives us some significant advantages.
It really gives us a strong 360 view of the customer from an operational perspective. We can see everything that customer has contacted Welsh Water about. When they speak to us, we answer the phone much quicker because actually we're much more efficient in the way we handle our calls, and actually the interactions they have with us are much shorter.
The key stat that we measure customer success by is the CMEX measure, and like I said, right now Welsh Water is the top of the league tables based on the work that we've done with C4C.
This change has had a significant impact on the time it takes to onboard and train people when they first join the organisation. The time to competency is much quicker, and it allows us to use that time to focus on really important aspects of training such as emotional intelligence and empathy, and less on actually how you use the system because it's intuitive. The guys can pick that up really quickly.
The objective of the implementation was to introduce processes and capabilities which could be scaled dramatically. SAP C4C has given us that. We're now able to scale many hundreds of % larger.
We want to empower everyone in the business to improve the way in which they work. The fact that we can then go and make changes based on people's ideas, suggestions very quickly really helps to foster that. When you make a big system and transformational change like this, you expect that there will be some negative feedback, but actually that was minimal. The guys that use the system on a daily basis have embraced it, and they like being able to use a system that is continuously improving. It doesn't look the same for 6 months. I think the key is to be aligned and to make sure that you are bringing all of those stakeholders together and everyone is working on a common goal, a common vision and a common strategy. Capgemini obviously have really strong technical expertise, but actually it was their approach to engagement with the teams that the change was impacting. That was one of the big successes of the delivery, and that meant that the kind of acceptance and the embracing of change from everyone that was involved was really successful.